Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at Nursery, the University School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class Nursery, and today's topic is an apple with leaves with color. All of you know that how to draw a circle or C. Today we will draw from a C. Look, everyone know that this one is okay. This one is C. So you again write a reverse C and then give just like a line like there and carve here and erase these lines. Okay. And then give the stem like this. And here is mentioned already that with leaves, so you must draw at least a leaf. Okay, so this one is an apple and this one is with color. So I will brief you which type of color I have used. Look, I have give here eyes and a smiley face also for give you fun. Okay. When you draw, you can draw this like this. Okay, and then color it. Look at this. I have used only deep red color. The color is the pastel color. You must start the color from this corner to this corner. Okay, you must start the color from these corners. First start from here and leave the eyes white, and in the leaf I have used here lemon green color and deep green color. Here I have used deep green color. So my dear student, this one is your HW also. Practice at your home and then do your HW and submit at your school every Saturday. No more today. Thank you.